Good morning. Today we are going to begin with our new lesson number 14, Raju's farm. Let's see what is there in the lesson. People who grow plants or raise the animals are called farmers. Farming is an important occupation because everyone needs food and clothing to survive. Farms produce all kinds of plants, animals, wool, and cotton that people eat and utilize throughout the world. Children, take out page number 108. Let's start. I am Raju. My father is a farmer. Here, a small boy Raju talking about his father. Children, do you know why farmers are so important? Farmers have great importance in our society. They are the ones who provide us food to eat. Every person needs proper foods for their living. So, farmers are a necessity in our society. We live in Vasai village of Idhar district in Gujarat. It is the month of October. Yes, farm is getting ready to sow the onion crop. Like every year, Raju's father is preparing the field to sow the onion crop. Yes, farm is getting ready to sow the onion crop. There are so many things to be done at this day. Raju also going to farm to help his father. From the last few days, Raju's father has been using the axe to dig the soil so that it may loosen and become soft. What is the meaning of dig? Dig means make a hole in the ground. And what is axe? Look at this picture carefully. This is the picture of axe. Axe is a tool used for cutting wood. In Raju's area, a tool called axe is used to loosen the soil. Children, you have to find with your parents what is the tool used to dig or loosen the soil. Okay? Coming to page number 109, sowing the seeds. This year also, Raju's father will sow onion seeds in the field. The bullocks will pull the plow and father will bow behind them. Sowing the seeds, I would also like to do same like my father. Yes, Raju would also like to do same like his father. With the help of the bullock, father sowing the seeds. It is not an easy work. Raju's father said that it is necessary to drop the right amount of seeds at a regular distance. He dropped too many seeds at one place. Let's discuss the question and answers in our textbook. Question number 1. In Raju's area, a tool called axe used to loosen the soil. What's the kind of tool called in your area, children? You have to draw the picture in your notebook. Okay? In our area, this implement is called pickaxe in English. This pickaxe is used by farmers to loosen and soften soil as well as to dig ditches on the ground. Understood? What other ways could be used to plow the field instead of using animals? Tell me. You know, tractors are used instead of animals to plow the field. A farmers can attach various tools like plow, leveling board, sowing drill, rake, etc. to plow his field and other types of job. Okay. Tell me children, which month does sowing for a good crop of onion start? Listen, sowing for a good crop of onion starts in October. Don't forget, it starts in October. You know, how does Raju's father use the pickaxe? Raju's father digs the ground with his pickaxe to make the soil loose and soft. How does a farmer sow onion seeds? First, farmers have to plow the field and make rows in it with a plow or some other implement. The same time, he has to drop onion seeds at a distance in each row. Then the ground is leveled once again so that the seeds are covered with soil. Tell me, for which crop is Raju's father preparing his field? Onions. Which implement is used to plow a field? A plow. Which implement does Raju's father use to loosen the soil? A pickaxe. Okay. Children, you should read textbook properly and try to write questions given in your textbook. We will continue in the next video. Take care. Bye.